And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Rugby Sevens competition concluded over the weekend with Tuapa toppling the king of the mountain of many years, Alofi. According to the NIU committee, all the players showed tremendous potential in the final round of the Sevens series, but a continuous winning run by Tuapa Sealers in the 3 tournaments finally dethroned Alofi Makos many years at the top of the national rugby competition. The biggest upset of the day, however, went to Hakupu, who toppled Alofi Mako with a convincing win to move up the winning ladder. Final competition on Saturday. First Tuapa 11 points, Hakupu second with 7 points, Alofi third with 6 points, Avasele 5 points, and Hikitamaki without a point. After the final rounds of the series, the standings are first Tuapa 29 points, Alofi second 23 points, third to Hakupu with 15, and a very close fourth, Avasele 14 points, with Hikitamaki 2 points.